In this video, we are going to learn how to insert a degree symbol in Microsoft Word. Hello, my name is Mark, and you're watching the Office Master tutorial. Office Master is here to help you learn how to use Microsoft Office in a quick and simple step-by-step tutorials. Sometimes you might want to insert a degree symbol when you write about temperatures or measurements in Word. There are two common ways to insert the degree symbol: by using the Symbol drop-down menu or by a keyboard shortcut. Firstly, we will insert the degree symbol using the ribbon feature. Place the cursor where you want the degree symbol to go in your text. Navigate to the Insert tab, and in the Symbols group, select the Symbol option. Click More Symbols in the drop-down menu. In the Symbol dialog box that appears, select the font in the drop-down menu. Next to Subset, select the Latin 1 supplement option from the drop-down menu. Scroll through the symbols and click the degree sign, click Insert, and close the dialog box. Once you've used the degree symbol, it automatically appears in the Recently Used Symbols list in the Symbol menu, so you don't have to open the Symbol dialog box the next time you want to use it. The second way to insert a degree symbol is by using a keyboard shortcut. Place the cursor where you want to insert the degree symbol, and on your keyboard, press Alt plus 0176. Please keep in mind that this method works only for keyboards that include a 10 key. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.